All right. Shop is almost set up. We got a lot done. Still a little ways to go. So I'm going to turn around and just do a little scan, then we'll talk. So here's what we've done. We built the chop saw station, very simple. I would have loved to had like Formica drawers and all that, but we got to get this place going, man. So got the T-track there. This is your stop block. You undo it, you slide it to where you need it. We're gonna swap saws. We're getting a new saw. This is probably gonna go, that 14 inch is gonna come here. We're gonna get a precision 10-inch saw there, but it's gonna be set up like this. This is gonna be for ripping large boards. We're gonna have wood storage here, and we're gonna, boom, you're gonna chop them, rip them, whatever. And we've got the joiner, planer, table saw. So you've got all those important tools right next to each other. Planer, joiner, table saw, chop saw. This is the bench area. And this is a cabinet that Mark built. Yeah, that's not a tool thing. That's something we're gonna sell. And making clamp racks. Still got a ton of clamp racks to go. We got the 2 band saws. We will eventually get a massive big band saw and get rid of one of these, but so I've got them set up where they can share a dust collector. And then this will have, that little dust collector there is gonna go here. Just built this router table and I like it. It's cool. Literally just finished it. Haven't even turned it on yet. And that has the quarter cable, 3 1/4 horse. And we will get an edge sander to go here as well. You got shaping. You're gonna have sanding. That drill press will move over here. You're gonna have hole making, drilling and square holes. And you're gonna have an assembly area here. We've still got to build assembly tables. And we're gonna have, my workbench is gonna go here. That's Mark's workbench. And we're gonna have workbench for students to use here. So we put the hardwood floor here so that if you drop a chisel, it doesn't chip. By the way, that Harvey dust collector is so awesome. We're actually thinking about getting their saw next. I love that thing. So workflow, as I said, table saw, chop saw, joiner, planer, boom, all together. Come over here, your band saws are together. Your shaping is together. Sharpening station will be over here, and we will eventually build something there. Right now, we're just gonna use that. So you see you've got your industrial sink. We do have a flammables cabinet, and it's really coming together. We sealed the floors. This is just the 1-part epoxy paint, and then sealed with Varathane, high traffic polyurethane. I love it because it makes dust just sweep right up. There's no roughness there, so dust doesn't get all in it. Still got to fill all these cracks and seams. I don't know what the last video had, but I think we were hanging those lights. We got them all hung. I love it. Still got to sheetrock the office. This is on hold. We just don't need it right now. So office will be able to look in there, and I like it. So this is it. Very nice, clean, big shop. I like it.